Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, and brown color. Kids, now you draw alphabets and use red color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for apple,
A, B, C, D, E, F,
B for ball,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
C for
Q, R, S,
cat,
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
D for dog,
My ABCs. Next time, won't you
E for elephant, F for fish, G for God. It's now you draw 8 and use yellow color. H for helicopter, I for ice cream,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
J for joker,
L, M, N, O, P, Q,
K for king,
T, U, V, W,
L for lion,
Y, and Z. Now I
M for moon,
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
N for nose. Kids, now you draw numbers.
A, B, C,
And first you draw 1
F, G,
and use
I, J, K,
black color.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
1,
W, X,
2,
Y, and Z. Now I know
3,
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing
4,
with me?
5, 6, 7, 8. It's now you draw 9 and use green color. 9, 10,
A, B, C, D,
11,
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
12,
U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
13,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
14. Kids, now you draw 15
A, B,
and
C,
use
D, E, F,
blue color.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
15,
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
16,
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.